Alright, 6th graders, today we're going to be taking a look at rates. By the end of this lesson, you're going to be able to find and compare unit rates. A rate is simply a ratio that compares two quantities measured in different units. Okay. And a unit rate is just simply a rate whose denominator is 1. So for example, if I drove 200 miles in 4 hours, it would be 200 over 4. And since we want to make sure that we get the denominator equal to 1, we're always going to divide by the denominator. So 200 divided by 4 is 50, 4 divided by 4 is 1. So my unit rate would be 50 miles per hour. So as a rate, it was 200 over 4, and my unit rate would be 50 over 1. So per kind of means like individually or a piece. And it's the quantity after division or simplification. It always goes in the numerator. Let's look at a couple of examples. For 4 large pizza pockets, I need 12 cups of cheese. How much cheese would I need for 1 pizza pocket, or per pizza pocket, if you will? So here we have 12 cups of cheese for 4 pizza pockets. That would be my ratio. To get my denominator equal to 1, I'm going to divide both by 4 because that's my denominator. So this would be 3 cups of cheese per pizza pocket. Why don't you go ahead and pause the video now and try the next one on your own. So to make 5 quarts of broccoli cheese soup, I need 14 cups of broccoli. So cups per quart. So 14 cups for 5 quarts. And divide each by 5. 5 goes into 14 with 2 left over. So if you wanted to do the division, 2, 4 left over, like 2.8. So it'll be 2.8 cups per quart. Now the big thing with unit rates is that we can use unit rates to find the best deal when we are shopping. So you can go ahead and pause the video, try this one out, and see how you do with it. So at the store I can buy 50 ounces of orange juice for $2.29, 80 ounces for $3.19, or 100 ounces for $4.19. I want to know which size is the best deal. So I'm looking at the price per ounce. So as ratios, we have $2.29 for 50 ounces, $3.19 for 80 ounces, and $4.19 for 100 ounces. So now if we just go ahead and do the division, we can figure out which is the best price per ounce. Our first one's going to be $2.29 divided by 50. And this is what I would actually do when I go shopping, and comparison shop between items. So I'm going to do $2.29 and divide it among the 50 ounces. We find out that this ends up being 0.0458 ounces, or dollars or cents per ounce. Now when we look at $3.19 and divide it among 80 ounces, we get 0.0398 per ounce. So between the two of these, the 80 ounces is the best deal. But now we need to do the $4.19 divided by 100 would be 0.0419 per ounce. That's even more expensive because it's over 8 cents per ounce. So our best deal would be the 80 ounce package of orange juice.